To export Debank MetaMask integration, start by understanding what Debank and MetaMask are. Debank is a portfolio tracker that allows you to monitor your cryptocurrency assets across various wallets and exchanges, while MetaMask is a popular digital wallet used to store, send, and receive Ethereum and other Ethereum-based tokens. First, ensure you have a MetaMask wallet set up and a Debank account. If you don't have these, create them by going to the MetaMask website and following the sign-up process, and then doing the same for Debank. Next, navigate to the Debank website and log into your account. Click on the Add Wallet button and select MetaMask from the list of available wallets. You will be prompted to connect your MetaMask wallet to Debank. Click on Connect and a pop-up will appear from MetaMask asking for permission to connect. After connecting your MetaMask wallet, Debank will begin to sync your wallet data. This may take a few minutes depending on the number of assets you hold. Once the sync is complete, you can view your MetaMask wallet balance and transaction history on Debank. To export your Debank MetaMask integration data, click on the settings icon and select Export Data from the drop-down menu. Choose the format you want to export your data in, such as CSV or JSON, and select the data range you want to export. Finally, click on the Export button and your data will be downloaded to your computer. You can then use this data to track your portfolio performance, analyze your investment strategy, or import it into other portfolio tracking tools. Best practices for exporting Debank MetaMask integration data include regularly exporting your data to keep track of your portfolio performance, using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication to protect your accounts, and only connecting your MetaMask wallet to trusted platforms like Debank.